Huh. Oh yeah. So they're not even gonna inspect the car because it has 3 seats on the papers and it has 6 seats in the car. Although the IMT office said we first need to go here, this guy doesn't want to be responsible for approving a car with 6 seats that only has 3 on the paper. The last time we went to Certa instead of Vendau, and there they approved the car. And the guy now says, oh yeah, then maybe you should go to Certa. Although it should be exactly the same matriculation. It's crazy, guys. It's crazy.
É em 2024.
Sim.
Pronto. E a inspeção só é válida por 90 dias.
Sim.
Pronto.
Yesterday was not a good day. Oh, I was so frustrated I didn't eat and went to bed straight away. The car was not the only thing that happened yesterday. So let's start with the car. So we went to the inspection center. I think you already saw the clip where I said that I'm not gonna inspect it. So we went back the same day to the IMT office, and yeah, they said the guy just needs to like inspect it first before we can do the homologação individual, like a separate homologation. And we said, like, the guy wants you to write something there that it's okay for him to inspect it, although it says only 3 seats there, and they were not willing to do that. And then because I had a paper of a homologation, but not the right one. I got a default one with 3 seats instead of 6 seats. But our mistake was probably that I showed them those papers. I gave them all the papers that I had, including this homologation. And the car is actually not supposed to have one because it needs a separate one, a custom one. And that's why probably the guy didn't want to approve it. So the woman at the IMT said, oh, just throw this paper away and only show him this. But then we were like, yeah, but now he knows my face, so he's not gonna like approve it like that without you writing something what he wanted to. So now we went back because there was like, today we went back to the IMT because there was this higher guy, this technical inspector guy who knows a little bit more about it. So now they gave us 4 papers that we need to show. That's exactly the papers that they would need to inspect the car. So my friend is now going to email with the inspection office in Vendaal to see if they're going to do it without an IMT writing something down and just showing up with these 4 papers. If not, then we're going to the inspection office in Seta, in a different village, because there it got approved already last year. And apparently they are less strict, but also they don't know about this separate homologation paper that this other guy saw. Because before, when I went last year, we didn't have that paper with it. So that's probably what's making the confusion now, but it's quite frustrating. Making an appointment there and then going back there and they send you back there. So I was not happy with that yesterday. And then I had a meeting about the house that we want to buy with the association. And this was not a good meeting. So we needed to have a talk with the people who are selling the house, the elderly home. And apparently they made a mistake. So they gave a selling price, I gave them an offer, and then they were like, yeah, but this offer is like way too low. And then I'm like, way too low? It's like 75% of the asking price. And then apparently they realized they made a mistake in the asking price. Which means that they apparently had an internal communication error between the certain people within that organization, and now they want twice as much for the building, which is kind of a ridiculous amount. So we're not going to pay that. But the thing is, they told us that the evaluation of the property, there was a guy who evaluated the property for them, and this guy evaluated the whole property on this new asking price that they have. So we're a little bit confused where, like, somebody who assesses this property, what it's worth, like where he got this information that it's this kind of amount, because it sounded kind of ridiculous to us. So we're probably not gonna buy it now, guys. Which is a big bummer. Big bummer, big bummer. So the car wasn't actually the worst news that day. I said to my friend, I said, after we went to the car thing, I said, maybe we'll get some other good news today and it balances everything out. It didn't. So yeah, I don't know really what to do with that. It doesn't like hinder anything with like establishing the organization, because the organization will... Zoe, I'm talking to the camera, sweetie. Because the association now also has my address as its main building. So it doesn't really need a main building to start sort of operating, but the plans are evolving differently than I thought. So yeah, We're still talking with them, but I don't think there's gonna be any sale anytime soon, unfortunately. Yes, it's a bummer. It's a bummer. Zoe's doing a bit better. And Sweetie. There's also good news. This is a bread from Santo André, from the Centro de Dia. It's a place where the older people hang out for the day. And they make also bread and they sell it. I didn't know. I also bought one from Maria. I just brought it to her. She was very happy with it. It's still warm. Even Zoe likes it. This is very nice. So I was thinking, maybe I can convince the people at the Centro de Dia to show me how they make the bread. I don't know if it's going to be anytime soon, but I'm going to try. So we can get some experience in making the Portuguese bread. This is very nice. No, you girls can have a dog snacky. It's very nice bread, Sweetie. Thank you for asking. As the stuff is laying here, it's growing new leaves. It like attaches like very fast to the floor, to the soil, and it also grows on itself. So I tried drying them out. I tried burning them. That's all not working. So I'm just gonna dump a little bit every week in the trash can. There's a lot more that needs to go. We'll be busy for a couple of weeks. Barely made a dent. I'm making a mess though. Hey girls! You good? And you. Need to get a bit of exercise in, even if it's raining. Man. Wet, 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 wet. Wet, 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 Zoe.